Friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to search products by categories in Temu. So I'm going to open up my Temu app, and here at the top you have a search, right? You can go ahead and you can type whatever you want here, but in order to search by a particular category, what you want to do is just simply go ahead and click on categories on the lower left hand side, and here you have a bunch of different categories. You can go ahead and you can shop by categories. As you can see, you have a lot of different categories that you can choose from here, or on the left hand side you have some features one that you can go ahead and you can choose too. So let's say I want to search electronics. I can tap on that and it will sort those by electronics, and then I can go ahead and I can use the different shop categories here that I have on this side. So if I want to look for something in, I don't know, let's choose a computer accessories, I can tap on that. Or maybe let's have a look at mouse, keyboards and accessories. So let's tap on that, and here you can see that it's showing me quite a lot of different mouse and keyboard stuff that I can look at. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. You can go ahead and you can find something that you like and you can shop, you can buy, and yeah, enjoy Timo. That's it. Very easy and very simple.